Hey, I'm Spencer, and today we're taking a look at a wheelchair-accessible balcony stateroom on the world's largest cruise ship, Star of the Seas. As soon as you scan your card and enter, you'll notice the automatic door opener, one of those features you don't think about until you really appreciate it. This stateroom is fully wheelchair accessible and can accommodate up to 4 guests while still leaving plenty of space to comfortably move around. The bathroom is fully wheelchair accessible with a true roll-in shower and an open layout designed for wheelchair users. You'll also notice plenty of storage and shelving throughout the room that is thoughtfully placed with cabinets and closets that are actually reachable from a seated position, which makes a big difference on longer sailings. The bed setup here is also flexible, and you can see how the layout allows for different configurations depending on individual needs. This room comes with 2 twin beds that convert to a king and a sofa bed equipped with a trundle. As you'll see in the video, we had a fully electric hospital bed arranged for my friend Charlie. This footage was taken before the final setup, but after removing one of the twin beds and doing a little reconfiguring, there was still plenty of room left for accessible activities, and yes, still enough space to comfortably move around the room. If you're interested in booking this accessible stateroom, I'm a certified special needs travel agent with Expedia Cruises, and I can help arrange this cruise for you and your family, along with any medical equipment rentals you may need. Accessible travel is not one size fits all, which is why it's important to work with a cruise travel agent like me who understands the details and can make the experience seamless. And here's a quick look at the wheelchair accessible balcony. Be sure to like and subscribe and reach out when you're ready to plan your next dream vacation.